Welcome back. Today we are focusing on the very first step of essay writing, understanding the essay question completely. Let's get started. IELTS questions may look straightforward, but they require deep analysis. The first type of word to look for is the task word. These words like discuss, evaluate, compare tell you exactly what the exam is asking you to do. For example, discuss implies the balanced consideration of the information or viewpoints. Meanwhile, evaluate expects you to give an informed opinion based on evidence. Next, identify the content words that tell you what subject matter you need to focus on. These are often nouns or noun phrases. Understanding these will guide your research and brainstorming. Let's say we have this task prompt. Consider the impact of the internet on modern communication. Evaluate how it has changed the way societies interact. What are the content words here? Let's see. They are impact, internet, modern communication, changed, societies interact. These words focus on the main subject, the internet, modern communication, and the nature of the discussion. Impact, changed, societies interact, guiding the response towards an evaluation of changes brought by the internet. Let's analyze a sample question together. In this slide, you can see the prompt, and you need to think of the task words and the counter words for it. 2 minutes, start now. All right, let's see what we have here. The task word is discuss. It indicates that the essay should provide a balanced examination of the topic. The candidate is expected not just to list the benefits and drawbacks, but to explore them in depth, showing the implications and significance of each. The content words are benefits and drawbacks. These are the key content words that set the main focus of the essay. The examinee must address both the positive and negative aspects, providing a well rounded view of the topic. Also, implementing technology in education. These words specify the exact topic. The candidate must concentrate on the efforts and consequences of using technology, specifically within the educational sector. Also, we have the instructional words here, which provide examples. This part of the prompt directs the examinee to support their discussion with concrete examples. This requirement emphasizes the need for practical illustration of points made, which helps to substantiate the arguments and demonstrates real world understanding or application of the theory discussed. Mastering question analysis sets the foundation for a strong essay. Practice the skill, and I'll see you in the next lecture. We will talk about planning your essay strategically. To apply what you've learned in this lecture, here is the homework. Analyze three different IELTS Task 2 questions and outline the task and content words.